Well, if you don't want to lose sleep over your retirement, you may not want to look at your 401k anytime soon.
Yeah, the S&P fell into a bear market today, losing 21% of its worth since January. News 6's Treasure Roberts is here to tell us what it all means for you.
Well, Matt, Lisa, this is nerve-wracking for some investors, but experts advise seeing it through before pulling out stocks.
I understand Americans are anxious, and they're anxious for good reason.
Fears mount as inflation rises across the nation, and now some investors are nervous, watching the stock market sink. As of close Monday, the S&P 500 is now in an official bear market. The term bear market is used when stocks decline at least 20% from their most recent high. The index lost 4% Monday, putting it 21% below its peak in January.
Today's sell-off comes on the heels of a pretty bad 10 weeks. Stocks have been down 9 of the last 10 weeks. And on Friday, we got an inflation report that ran pretty hot. So when the investment community kind of took stock over the weekend, I think there was this fear that, in fact, higher prices and rising interest rates are going to keep eating into corporate profits, and the consumers are not going to be able to maintain their current level of spending.
CBS business analyst Jill Schlesinger says calling this a toxic combination is an understatement. Adding high interest rates paired with rising inflation means companies won't make as much money, scaring investors into selling stocks.
The fear among investors is that as the Federal Reserve gets set to meet this week, that the central bank's going to have to really start to raise interest rates by more or more often than it initially thought. And it really does lay bare the problem with the Federal Reserve right now.
If rates are raised too high or too quickly, experts say it could cause a recession. Schlesinger says, though, don't let the numbers scare you into pulling out.
You shouldn't just blow out of your stock positions just because what's happening today or tomorrow, even in 6 months. Most people who are investors are investing for the long term. They're thinking about their retirement in 10, in 20, in 30 years.
The Fed is scheduled to make its next policy announcement on Wednesday. Back to you, Lisa.